Today is Monday, November 13th, 2023. I'm here at the Florida Yacht Club. This is Sunyachta. We're trying to find the right split ring for the sinks here. So the one that I have is not fitting properly. I'm going to go down there and get a video of it. I actually think this one is too small to fit around the prop, and I'll show you why. When I go down there, I'm going to try and spin the prop with the split ring. It's only on there by one bolt, but I want you to see what happens. So this split ring is getting caught on the prop that spins. So if I were to have gotten this actually on there, it could damage the prop or damage any of the engine. So I don't think this is a proper size. We're going to have to try and workshop something, find a better size for you.